This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football 3-box eBay break. June 12th, 2022. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Vanilla Moose 2012 with the Buccaneers and the Titans. STMI 3166-FUZ LKXMN with the Chargers and Vikings. 318 Riley with the Bears and Saints. Ant Fran-7773 with the Falcons, Cowboys, and Jets. Camaro-Ed with the Redskins. GERARDIN with the Packers and Colts. PAU at Paul Marnell-0 with the Seahawks. George BB5 with the 49ers. Shields 30 with the Steelers. MARFISHE939 with the Eagles. Vanilla Moose 2012 also with the Patriots and Giants. ZXX_DJ_XXZ with the Dolphins. Shrom-2 with the Ravens and Lions. J Loudon 1 with the Rams. LEOD817 with the Raiders. THEOFIS-66 with the Chiefs. Dewey Jupiter with the Jaguars. Joey JAX806 with the Texans. DFox Hunter with the Broncos. Zarny311 with the Browns. MARO-459324 with the Bengals. Lena Legend with the Panthers. Wakes521 with the Bills. And Kevin MEL CHISEDECH with the Cardinals. That is your full lineup. Okay. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3 boxes. 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football box number 1. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Your first autograph mini helmet coming your way. A flash alternate for the Ravens. Beautiful looking helmet. There's your auto right there. That is Rod Woodson. Rod Woodson for the Ravens. Beautiful flash alternate. Beckett COA there. Ravens strike first. And Ravens owned by Shrom-2. Congrats. Beautiful. Rod Woodson. Flash alternate autograph mini helmet Ravens. Autograph mini helmet box number 2. All right, here we go. Autograph mini helmet number 2 coming at you. And a Lunar Eclipse alternate Packers. Another beautiful looking helmet. Got that white matte finish. There's your auto, that green auto there. That is A.J. Dillon. Beckett COA there. Beautiful A.J. Dillon. Packers. Lunar Eclipse alternate autograph mini helmet. Packers owned by GERARDIN. Congrats. Beautiful. A.J. Dillon. Packers. Lunar Eclipse alternate. Autograph mini helmet box number 3. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Autograph mini helmet number 3 coming at you. And the Lions. And there is your auto right there. That is Amon-Ra St. Brown for the Lions. Beautiful looking helmet. Beckett COA Lions on the board. Lions striking last. Lions owned by Shrom-2. Congrats. Beautiful. Amon-Ra St. Brown autograph mini helmet for the Lions. Let's run back through the mini helmets here, guys. Got the Lions, Amon-Ra St. Brown. Beautiful looking helmet. We had for the Packers a Lunar Eclipse alternate. A.J. Dillon autograph mini helmet for the Packers. Beautiful white finish there. And we started out with the Ravens flash alternate. Another very sharp autograph mini helmet. Rod Woodson for the Ravens. Another beautiful helmet there. 3 beautiful autographed mini helmets. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around. We've got another break coming up at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is your 2022 Gold Rush Autograph full-size helmets specialty 1-box eBay break. We got a beautiful lineup scheduled all week long. We're back at it again tomorrow night. Please don't miss out on those. Thank you so much again for your support. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Please be smart, be safe out there.